Good day, guys. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog, and welcome to another great day of quarantine eats. My name is Eric.
I'm Kaden.
And I'm Devin, aka the boys.
Awesome. Well, today is a pretty interesting day because we recently saw, I recently saw the Korean movie, Parasite. And a great trend kind of started after people watched that movie, and it has to do with this Chapaguri scene. So basically, just so you guys know, there were these wealthy family that happened to be camping outside, and unexpectedly they wanted to return back home because the weather was bad for camping. And inside their house were these basically fake and less wealthy family that pretended to be wealthy, and they were working for the wealthy family as maids. And the wealthy family decided, you know what, we're coming back home pretty quick, and we're hungry, and we want you to cook us some chapaguri. And neither of us have heard what chapaguri is all about. So we looked it up online, and interestingly, it's ramen. So the boys and I have been eating this chapaghetti for a long time. You guys like this, right?
Yeah.
So we've been eating this for a long time, and chapaguri is actually a combination between what we've been eating for a long time and this package of Neoguri spicy seafood noodle, right? So, what is chapaghetti? It says...
I can see.
Yeah, Kaden, tell them what chapaghetti is.
I think it's like... It says jajang noodles.
Jajang noodles.
And also...
And this is the neoguri.
Ooh.
And it's like black sauce. I don't know what that is though.
Yeah, so jajang noodles is also seen in Chinese food. It's called dajang mian. So it's like a black bean sauce type of noodle, and typically we eat it dry, right?
Yeah. Well,
So-
like kind of like this.
Yeah. So there's not much stew with this particular one.
But this one is udon type noodles. So
Yeah.
This one should have some soup in it.
Have you tried this before?
No.
All right. So we are going to use these two, chapaghetti plus neoguri equals chapaguri.
And we're gonna have some steak to add with this mixture.
Yeah, and so in the movie they call this combination ramdong, and we're really excited. So we're going to try to replicate this dish that was seen in the movie. As you can see here, we got us some ribeye.
Look at this, chapaguri.
Oh yeah, look at this. I think this is like I think there's a piece of hair right here. Look at this gigantic piece of ribeye, or two pieces of ribeye. It's about inch thick.
Ew.
And the boys and I, or actually the boys are gonna lead the cooking process, take us through the entire process from unpacking these to preparing dinner for all of us to eat. So hang on tight with us, and we're gonna get cooking right about now.
Let me make sure. So we're gonna start off by opening all these noodles. Can you want to help me?
I'll try opening the
I'm
noodles.
trying to do this as not messy as possible. Oh, there's a little thing right here.
I know. I opened it.
Okay, open.
Okay,
Let's
take
put
all
the
the
circles
soft
right
parts.
here.
Okay, so there's vegetables here and the spicy soup.
Okay,
base. Not as spicy as the last video.
Yeah, you should definitely
check
go
that
check
out.
that out. And then we're gonna leave these here.
Guys, look. If you look at it, they look like this, almost the same exact noodles, right? But they're not.
Yeah, this one's a little bit like thicker and lighter. So we have more sauce packets.
Okay, guys. So the chapaghetti comes with this, and I don't know in the movie. I didn't really watch it, but people put this on the top after vegetable oil. I don't know if you could read it. Vegetable oil. It's It gives it flavor, I think. I don't know what vegetable oil tastes like.
Okay.
So I think it just gives it flavor.
So we're gonna put all these somewhere.
AKA?
I don't know where, but this pot. Oh, it looks like it's boiling, so I'll take this out.
Sesame.
Yes,
I just don't.
Yeah, me too. Okay, there we go. So I put in the niyoguri and the chapaguri in together, and we're currently waiting for it to boil so that it actually fits it. But look how big this pot is. Like the water was only down to here. Oh my god. If you look closely, I don't know if you can see, me and Kaden noticed, but this one is a lot lighter than the chapaguri. The chapaguri is a light yellow. This one is just like the bottom of an onion, like that type of color.
So after this, we're gonna strain it.
So the noodles have been in here for a couple minutes now. You can see it's boiling. Oh man, ooh. It is boiling. So what we're gonna do next is to strain this gigantic pot. Because this dish is served relatively dry, we're gonna strain most of the water out of this pot. So I grab a little tool here, and I'm gonna take out some of this excess water.
You know how we said there's like steak in the video, right? Or the movie, sorry. And then they like chop into cubes. We saw like quick scenes. We're not allowed to watch it though. So I'm gonna start with this one right here, this one. So, Lou, look, I know you can't feel it, but look at that. Come over here, look at that. There's blood. But this, like fat, I'm gonna trim a little bit off because it's kind of unhealthy. Oh yeah, don't forget to curl your fingers or else you might chop your fingers off. And then 2. Now guys look, this is the fat, this is the meat. Look at the comparison, okay? I'll say that's an 87 to 3.055443% ratio. Before we start pan searing, I have a special thing. My favorite drink. Just kidding, it's for cooking. Gotcha. But anyway, someone told me, I don't know who, but someone told me you need to put 3 of these little lids. I'm very scared. Oh shoot. Okay, sorry, I spilled just a little bit. Wait, what's that?
I come to season.
Here, take this train. Here, you grind some salt. Arriba!
Get plenty of that in there.
I think that's good enough.
So right here we have the chapaguri and niyoguri seasoning. We're gonna pour it inside this strained noodle, and we're gonna mix it around until it's combined. See this niyoguri seasoning? I'm gonna eat it.
This is the spicy. This is
It's pretty spicy, but it's fishy.
I'm gonna try some.
Look at this, guys.
It's not as bad as the spicy ramen. You should check that out.
It's a lot more flavorful.
Yeah.
Or
It's still
actually, I think
spicy,
the spicy ramen is more flavorful.
Yeah. But it's... What did you do? You spilled the spice everywhere, boy.
Okay. So right here we have vegetable oil, but we're actually gonna put that after.
And here is the chapaguri vegetables compared to the other ones. Watch. Which one looks better? Comment down below.
What's up, guys? We're back in the steak segment, interrupting. And one way we could actually make this tastier, instead of good old-fashioned oil, we could use even better fashion beef fat. Oh yeah. Okay, like the beef fat is more natural and it makes it a little tastier.
But guys, it is a little, maybe a little bit more unhealthy.
Yeah, so
If you're on some diet,
yeah,
maybe
so
skip
we're gonna
it.
just put this on.
Whoa,
and
look at it.
like that.
So I'm gonna pour this in really fast, all of this meat. Watch this. Arriba! It's so scary. And look at this beef. Look at how good it is, okay? I know it's not that crusty. This is the time for the next train, version 2. epicness number 2, the teriyaki train.
Okay, thank you. Go.
And I'm just gonna add all of this because it came with water. Just kidding, it didn't. I'm just gonna do this around all of it. Look how good that looks, okay?
This is Chef Kaden.
Watch this. Now you just stir it around. Make it glaze, everything. I know it looks a little bit raw, but don't worry, it's just medium rare.
Okay guys, welcome to another segment, Devin's Facts, with special guest, bok choy. 3, 2, very messy. Okay, the bok choy is secure. Now, we wait. This might take a while because look how big the bok choys are. Luckily, vegetables shrink in heat, or most of them do at least. There we go. Perfect.
So all of this is done, as you can see. Watch this. Over here, bok choy is like 30 seconds from being done. The steak is done. The chapaguri is done. So
And it looks very yummy.
we're gonna get ready to assemble and eat in 5,
4,
3,
oh, 2,
1.
1.
Oh!
What was that?
Oh, look at what
Oh.
I have here.
It's the ramdon.
Ramdon.
This is the finished product right here. Kaden and Devin led the cooking for tonight. And look at this delicious bowl of
Guys, to
ramdon.
wash this down, we have milk tea.
Guys, smell this. Like if you actually tried to smell it.
Oh yeah, so just to give you guys a little bit background, if you guys don't know, I mean, you guys been hearing us saying ramdon, chapaguri, chapaghetti, neoguri. All these terms get really confusing, right? So ramdon is basically the final name that we give this thing
Except-
with all the chapaguri mixed. That's the noodle part of it. We add some steak, right?
And we added some
But the bok choy is not original.
choy.
Yeah, bok choy is our little spin on this ramdon because we want some vegetable in our diet.
So should we go?
Yeah, let's go in for our first bite. Right here, ramdon inspired by Parasite. Here we go, bite number 1.
3,
Ready?
2, 1, go. You have to eat it with the steak.
Mmm.
Ooh, it's spicy. But
That's so good.
Mmm. Mmm.
I'm gonna try this now, guys. The steak.
This is unbelievably good. This,
Mmm.
this is so good.
Love the flavor. I definitely get
Bomb.
a combination of the seafood and the black bean sauce.
Just trying that. I need to try it with the steak.
Oh, here's the steak.
Yeah, me too.
Oh,
Guys,
oh,
look at this.
cloud 9. I'm in heaven. Mmm.
That's
This
good,
is
right?
really good.
Look at this. Look at this right here. Look at that steam. Mmm.
I'm pretty sure mine got cold. It's not even that hot.
Mmm.
That is a 10 out of 10.
10 million out of negative 10.
And you know what? To prepare this is actually not that expensive. I mean, unless you buy really quality steak, but we got our steak from Costco and it's not that expensive.
A friend actually bought it for us.
Thank you, friend.
Thank you, friend.
I want to try the bok choy here.
It's good.
Little bok choy. So I like my noodles and beef a little spicier. So I have handy sriracha.
Asian sauce.
This is my holy grail. I literally put this thing on everything, but I'm just gonna drizzle it on my steak. So look at that, look at that. Yeah. Oh.
This has a similar taste to the spicy ramen.
But you can handle it this time, right?
Uh-huh. It's actually like
It's
tasty.
spicy at first. It goes down really fast though.
So, if you guys haven't seen our spicy ramen, this is the first time Devin got defeated. Big time.
You check that out.
Check
It's
out-
very spicy.
Check out Devin getting defeated. But he's all good eating this ramdam. And
If you have the items to make this, make it.
Yeah,
it's
it's so
so
good.
good. Recommend.
yeah, it's so good, inexpensive. It didn't take us that long to cook the dish.
Took us about 30 minutes.
Yeah, you could probably finish this whole thing in 30 minutes. I think the longest prep time probably has to go to the steak. You know, we had to chop it up and season it and pan fry it. But generally, all the other ingredients, the noodles and the bok choy, only took a couple minutes to make. Congratulations to Parasite, and thank you for creating this dish for us to try today. Let us know if you've had a chance to watch the movie, and let us know if you've had a chance to make this on your own. And just let us know what you think of it. You know, we think this is an awesome, and it's something that we're definitely gonna have again in the future. You know, just on a random day when we have nothing else to eat, we'll decide just to make up some noodles, right?
Chapaguri, niguri.
Wabam!
Make
It is fire. Fire.
It's bomb, bomb, boom. It's pretty bomb.
Yeah, it is bomb. Well, we are going to chop away at our noodles.
No, chop away our chopaghetti.
Give us a big thumbs up on this video if you like watching this. We hope that you guys are staying safe in quarantine. And let us know your comments below. We always love to hear from you. Thank you so much for the support you've all given us. We grew our subscriber base by 100% recently, and our channel is just beginning to take off, and we really thank you for supporting us. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. And
It would be very helpful.
Oh, yeah,
for us
definitely.
To reach like 1,000. That's our goal.
yeah, journey to 1,000, right? Hashtag journey to 1,000. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Click that bell notification icon so you get notified on our new uploads. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
See you later.
Peace out. Bye.